All right, Greg, thank you so much. Now, while it says May on your calendar, people across the nation have been with record heat, many places 90 to even 100-degree weather.
And joining us via Skype is Danny Lipford, our home improvement expert. Thanks for joining us this morning. Danny, it's all about the record heat, and record heat means blasting the AC. Now, how can we somehow, as we enter this long summer, keep the energy bills in check?
Well, it's all about keeping your air conditioner working. You don't want it to work too hard. So in order to lessen that load, you want to make sure you seal the envelope of your home. It's as simple as using a little caulk to seal up any crack around windows and doors, or hose bibs, or any protrusion you may have in the exterior of your wall. You also want to check the weather stripping around the windows and doors and make sure it's sealing out all of that hot air that can force its way inside the house. Another area that's ignored quite a bit is the attic cover. Putting an insulated attic cover is a very inexpensive way to keep all of that hot air in the attic from affecting your living area. Very, very important. And also, don't forget to get that air conditioner serviced. If you haven't had it done in a year, do it as soon as possible. It'll keep it running more efficiently and a lot safer.
All right, we have about 30 seconds or so to break. Those sound like small things, but do they really add up? Do they really make a difference?
They certainly do. You know, there's one analogy that if you took all of the cracks in an average home and you were able to physically put them together, that would equal a 3-foot by 3-foot window staying open all the time. So it only makes sense to take these small steps to seal up that envelope.
A lot of great tips. And Danny, we want to hold you over. We have 20 seconds to the break. We can take this break and then come back and talk more kind of home cooling hacks to save you money and keep your house cool this summer.
All right. So, Danny, we'll see you in just a second. One of those areas could definitely use some of these cool tips to stay cool. You've got the Cobb Energy Center outside Atlanta here. Blue sky heating up to near 90 today.
Perhaps the first 90 of the year and first of many to come.
Okay, we're going to talk about cars today. If you were going to design your